Keep fighting everyone. Divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 a number is divisible by 9 a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit if the sum of its digit if the sum of its digits is also a multiple of 9 is also a multiple of 9 is also a multiple of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is also a multiple of 9. Example, suppose first example I am writing, students. Yeah, I have written here 29,323. Listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully, everyone. Yeah, how to check 29,323 is divisible by 9 or not? Firstly, I want to add all digits. 2 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 is coming 9 table. 9 twos are 18. This number is not divisible by 9. Second example, 981. Again, I want to add all digit. 9 plus 8 plus 1. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1, 18. Yeah, 18. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 18 is coming 9 table. Then we can say yes, 981 is divisible by 9. Third example, 540. I want to check this digit is divisible by 9 or not. How to check? I want to add all digits. 5 plus 4 plus 0. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 is coming 9 table. Yes, this number is also divisible by 9. Students, you are observing here one point. Listen carefully, everyone. Divisibility rule of 3 and divisibility rule of 9 both are same. But if I want to check the given number divisible by 3, then sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. But if I am talking about divisibility rule of 9, then I can say sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 and 9 both are same, but if I want to check the given number is divisible by 3, means the sum of all digit is a multiple of 3. If I want to check the given number is divisible by 9, then I can say the sum of all digit is a multiple of 9. Only this difference is there. Multiple of 3, multiple of 9. Understood everyone? Yeah. Next, divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility rule of 10. Divisibility rule of 10. Listen carefully, students. If I want to check the given number is divisible by 10 or not, Vishwan, listen carefully. If I want to check the given number is divisible by 10 or not, if once a place digit is coming 0, then I can say the given number is divisible by 10. Only one concept is there. If once a place a digit is coming 0, then I can say the given number is divisible by 10. Previously, we have learned if once a place digit is coming either 0 or 5, then we can say that number divisible by 5. But in the case of 10, if once a place digit is coming only 0, then I can say the given number is divisible by 10. Note down. A number is divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its units digit is 0. If its unit digits, if its if its units digit is 0. Example, example, first example, 5432 0. 0 is present at unit place, divisible by 10, right? 345. 0 is not present unit place, not divisible by 5. Third example, 0 is present at one's place, divisible by 5. 0 is present at one's place, divisible by 5. Note down everyone. Next, divisibility rule of 10 completed. Next keep heading, divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Very easy rule. Divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Keep heading everyone. Divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11. Yeah. Listen carefully everyone. All students stop writing. Concentrate here. Listen carefully everyone. What is this rule? If any question they have given, any digit they have given, how to check the given number is divisible by 11 or not? Listen carefully. If a number is divisible by 11, the difference of the sum of odd places and even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. Listen carefully. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of odd places and even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. This is first concept. Second concept is very easy concept. Suppose I am writing here. One example I am writing 1331. Listen carefully everyone. 1331. I want to check this number is divisible by 11 or not. Listen carefully everyone. This is very interesting concept. Whatever first digit is there, I will write same. Second minus 3 plus minus plus 3 minus 1. Alternate. Plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. Listen carefully everyone again. Plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. This is the alternate. Plus minus plus minus. Plus 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. Now I want to simplify. This is plus 1 plus 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 means you have taken 3 rupees borrow. Minus 1 means you have taken 1 more rupees borrow. Total how many borrow? 4 rupees borrow. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Just now I told to you a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digit is either 0 or multiple of 11. Digit is coming 0. Yes, this is, we can say 1331 is divisible by 11. One more example I am writing, student concentrate. Yeah, again I am explaining, listen carefully. Yeah, one more example I am writing, concentrate everyone. Suppose I am writing 53064. Listen carefully everyone. Just now I told to you first number plus 5 minus 3 plus 0 minus 6 plus 4. This is the procedure. Plus minus plus minus plus minus. Plus minus plus minus plus. Plus 5 minus 3 plus 0 minus 6 plus 4. Now I want to check where plus sign is there. Plus sign is 1, plus sign is 2, plus sign is 3. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Next, minus 3, minus 6. You have taken 3 rupees borrow. Again, you have taken 6 rupees borrow. Total how many borrow? 9 rupees borrow. Borrow means minus. 9 minus 9. It has come 0. Yes, this number also divisible by 11. Are you getting my point, student? Are you getting my point, student? Right. One more example I am writing. Listen carefully. 81895. Concentrate everyone. Again, this is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. plus 8 minus 1 plus 8 minus 9 plus 5. Concentrate everyone. Plus 8 plus 8 plus 5. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Right. Minus 1 minus 10. Minus 1 minus 9. Both sign are same. Minus 10. Answer has come what? 11. 11 is coming 11 table. Yes. This number also divisible by 11. How to check the given number is divisible by 11? This is the sequence: plus first digit minus second digit plus third digit minus next digit, like that, plus minus plus minus. Understood everyone? Are you getting my point, students? Yeah. One more example I am writing, student, concentrate. Yeah. 3246 I want to check this number is divisible by 11 or not. How to do? First I will write plus minus means plus 3 minus 2 plus 4 minus 6. I want to check where is positive sign. Plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 7 minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 minus 6 what will come? Minus 8. Answer is coming minus 1. This number divisible by 11? No. Are you getting my point, student? Right. Note down concept, everyone. A number is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums if the difference of the sums if the difference of the sums of the alternate digits of the alternate digits is either 0 or divisible by 11 is either 0 or divisible by 11. Example: first example, 53064 53064. I want to check this digit is divisible by 11 or not. How to check? First sign plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Plus 5, minus 3, plus 0, minus 6, plus 4. Plus 5, plus 0, plus 4. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9 is equal to 0. I have given clear concept, difference of the sum of the alternate digit is either 0 or divisible by 11, then we can say the given number is divisible by 11. This answer is yes or no? Yes. Second example, 81895. 81895. 81895. Yeah. First, plus 8 minus 9 plus minus plus minus plus plus 8 minus 1 plus 8 minus 9 plus 5. Again, I want to check plus 8 is there, plus 9 is there, plus 5 is there. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 5, 21. Minus 1 minus 9 minus 10 is equal to 11. 11 divisible by 11? Yes. This answer also 81,895 is also divisible by 11. Example 3, student. Third example, 1331. Again, plus minus plus minus. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. Again, I want to check plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. This number also divisible by 11. Fourth example, 86249. I want to check here. Again, plus 8 minus plus minus plus. Plus 8 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 plus 9. I want to check plus sign. Plus 8 plus 2 plus 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Next, minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Answer has come 9. 9 is divisible by 9. 9 divisible by 11. 9 is divisible by 11. No, means 86,249 is not divisible by 11. I hope students you are enjoying the class. Yeah. Don't write, student, listen carefully. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write, listen carefully. What is the meaning of prime number? Prime number are those number, listen carefully. What is prime number? Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors. What is prime number? Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors, that is one and itself. Again, listen carefully. What is prime number? Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors, that is 1 and itself. In second way, I can say, what is the meaning of prime number? Prime number are those number that number will come one table and same table. Prime number are those number that number will come either in one table or in same table. Understood? What is prime number? Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors, that is 1 and itself. Suppose I am writing example 2. 2 will come one table and two table. Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors. One is factor, second is factor. Exactly two factor is called prime number. Suppose I am rewriting 3. 3 will come one table and three table. Exactly two factors. If I am writing 4, 4 will come one table, two table and four table. 4 is not prime number. 4 is composite number. Composite number means more than two factors is called composite number. What is the meaning of prime number? Prime number are those numbers which have exactly two factors, that is 1 and itself. Then what is the meaning of 1? What is the meaning of 1? 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Why 1 is neither prime number nor composite number? Listen carefully. Why 1 is neither prime number nor composite number? 1 I have written 1 into 1. I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 1. Again I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1. Here exactly two factor is there. More than two factor is there. I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Means here 1 is not fixed. 1 is going anywhere. Either along with prime number also is going, along with composite number also is going. That's why 1 is not fixed. 1 is not fixed. That's why we can say 1 is neither prime number nor composite number, because 1 means I have written 1 into 1, exactly two factors. If I again I have written 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, is more than two factors. Prime number also is there, composite number is also there. Again I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Means one nature is not fixed. One nature is not fixed. One is going anywhere. That's why one is neither prime number nor composite number. Understood, everyone? Note down definition, everyone. Prime number are those number. Prime number are those number. Note down, everyone. Prime number are those number prime numbers are those numbers which have exactly two factors, that is 1 and itself. Example, 2. 2 has one factor and two factor. 2 is prime number. 3. 3 has one factor, three factor. Example, third, 5. 1, 5. Next I am taking 7. 1, 7. Don't think all odd number is prime number. No. If I am talking about 9, if I am talking about 9, 9 will come one table, three table, nine table. One is not prime number. 1 is not prime number because 1 has more than 2 factors. 9 has also more than 2 factors. If more than 2 factors, that is called composite number. What is prime number? Prime number are those numbers which have exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Are you getting my point, student? Next keep heading, composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. Which have more than 2 factors. First example, suppose I'm writing first example is 4, 4, 1 factor, 2 factor, 4, composite number. Second example, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. Third example, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Next, fourth example, 5, 1 comma 5. Only 2 factor. This is not composite number. This is prime number. Note down everyone.